Hey everybody, Kartik Subramaniam over at ADHI Schools. Welcome to your real estate tip of the week. Now today's tip of the week is a vocabulary term and concept that you might see on the exam, and the term is the Statute of Frauds. So the Statute of Frauds is a list of contracts that need to be in writing in order to be enforceable by a judge. So for example, the vast majority of all contracts actually could be oral and are still enforceable despite the fact that there's nothing in writing. Now that's pretty stupid advice, because how often do you think a contract probably should be in writing? Well, all the time. But a contract doesn't have to be in writing unless it's on this list called the Statute of Frauds. So for example, contracts to sell real estate have to be in writing. Says who? The Statute of Frauds. Contracts that take longer than a year to perform, they have to be in writing. Says who? The Statute of Frauds. Contracts to answer for the debt of another, those are called surety agreements. Those have to be in writing under the Statute of Frauds. So long story short, should every contract be in writing? Of course. But technically, only contracts on the Statute of Frauds have to be written. So if the question on the exam were to say, the list of those contracts that must be in writing in order to be enforceable, Statute of Frauds. Very commonly asked concept on your exam.